In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make real transparent images with Nano Banana. We'll walk through a simple two-part workflow inside Google Gemini. First, prepping your image and then turning the background truly transparent so you can export a clean PNG. I'll explain each click so you can follow along confidently, and I'll share a few quick tips to help you get the best results without adding any extra steps. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser. On the main screen, look for the Tools section. This is where we'll access the creative utilities built into Gemini. Choose Create Image to open the image generation workspace. You'll see an option with a plus icon. Click that to begin. Next, select Upload Files and pick the photo you want to work on from your computer. In the prompt field, describe exactly what you want. For example, you might say you want the background replaced with a pure solid white color to simplify the edges before making it transparent. Clear, specific language helps the model understand your goal. Submit your prompt and let Gemini process it. When the result appears, download the generated image to your computer so you have a clean base to continue with. When you're done here, click Done to close out this part. Open a new chat in Gemini to begin the second phase. Go back to Tools and choose Canvas. This gives you an interactive space for precision edits. You'll see mode options. Start with Fast if you want a quick preview, and then switch to Pro for higher quality refinement once you're happy with the direction. Using both can save time while still delivering crisp edges. Click into the prompt area on Canvas. Type or paste the prompt shown on screen in this video. Pause if you need to copy it exactly. The prompt is designed to set up a transparent background workflow inside Canvas, so the next actions line up perfectly. Submit your prompt and give it time to generate. Depending on your connection, this may take 3 to 5 minutes or a bit more. Once it's ready, upload the image you downloaded earlier. Use the Target Color tool to pick the current background color. If your background isn't perfectly uniform, sample the area that best represents it. Then gradually reduce the tolerance until the subject edges look clean without eating into important details like hair or fine product lines. When you're satisfied, export the result as a PNG to preserve transparency. That's it, clean, real, transparent images with Nano Banana ready for your designs, websites, or product listings.